All right, gold, silver, and even Bitcoin are down right now. It looks like gold is already down to $1,839.82. It started out pretty low, then headed up a little bit higher to 1854, started to rest around the 1850s area, and then right after 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, started coming down a bit more. Silver was down as low as $24.68, skyrocketed up after the pre-market open, started hovering around the lower $25 range, and then came back down, currently at $24.80. Bitcoin, because I know some of you guys here like Bitcoin. Obviously, you guys have probably been tracking it and seeing that it was above $40,000. Now it's down to $33,581, or actually 113 cents. So Bitcoin is coming down. Now you may be asking yourself, well, why is this happening? How is this happening? Things were really, really good, by the end of last week. Well, I can tell you that something pretty drastic happened, and it came from our good old friend, the VIX. Now, the VIX, since last Friday's close, has actually jumped up nearly 6 points, 6 percentage points. So it went up about 1.28 points, but it jumped up nearly 6%. So that's where we're looking at right now, where it closed around 21.56, and currently it's at 23.74, which is a huge move. And if the VIX is jumping up that high, then you know that the DXY has been reacting in the same way. Now, the DXY has been climbing up. It's in the mid 90s now. Early last week, it was in the low 89s. Now it's at 90.54 at the time of this recording. So with the dollar being strong, the VIX being high today, and gold, silver, and even Bitcoin are down, does that mean that they're going to continue to go down? I think not. This is all temporary. And you may be asking yourself, well, why is this even happening? Well, given what happened last week, everything that happened in DC, there have been some reactions over the weekend from politicians about what will be done in the aftermath of this. And Nancy Pelosi has been on record in stating that she would like to see Mike Pence invoke the 25th Amendment. If he doesn't do that, then she said that they are ready to move with a second round of impeachment. Now, if Donald Trump is impeached before he leaves the office, some things could actually happen that could impact him after his presidency. Now, some of you guys might have wondered, well, what's the purpose of doing this if he's about to leave the office? Well, these are some of the things that could happen based on the 1958 Former President's Act. It basically assures that no president leaves office without being set for life. It guarantees a pension, access to health care or health insurance, an office space, staff. But this is only given to somebody who isn't removed from office from an impeachment trial. It also includes a $219,000 a year pension, which, obviously Donald Trump, has a lot of money, so that might not be that big of a deal to him. But these are some of the things that would be granted to him. Obviously, we know that Secret Service is a part of that for former presidents. So they don't want to have or let him have these perks. So this is something to be mindful of. And this is one of the reasons why we're seeing some uncertainty right now and some reaction within the markets, because who knows how people may react upon hearing this news. In addition to this, you may be wondering, well, if gold, silver, and Bitcoin are down, And yeah, there's some news here that could be prompting it. Is this the time to get into gold, silver, and Bitcoin? Well, obviously, this is not financial advice, I'm just giving you information. But here, Joe Biden on Sunday actually tweeted the following: $600 is simply not enough when you have to choose between paying rent or putting food on the table. We need $2,000 stimulus checks. He tweeted that out at 4:45 p.m. on January 10th. So I've been on record in stating that Joe Biden wants to really get these stimulus checks out. There have been some people within his own party saying that, hey, we can't get these things out right now. We need to focus on, maybe the vaccine. And Joe Biden has said, hey, let's get these things out first. Let's get these $2,000 checks out. So with that, we already know what that does. Even on the news of stimulus checks, the gold, silver, and even Bitcoin prices rise. And once they're actually distributed, even better over time. So knowing that with gold, silver, and Bitcoin prices being so low, and this being on the horizon, I'll let you draw your own conclusions. But let me know what you guys think about everything that's been happening today in the comment section below. Also, be mindful that Joe Biden will be talking more about the details surrounding the stimulus package on his YouTube page. His YouTube page has 600,000 subscribers, guys, which is pretty wild. If you don't mind, it'd be great if you could also subscribe to this channel as well. I was thinking like, hey, if Joe Biden can get that, then I know we can rally up the troops here and get some subscribers here. But thanks again for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you're new. It's Black Bullion for goldandsilvertoday.com.